Hello everyone, now I'm at Sabiha Gökcen Airport and I'm in front of the International Arrivals Gate. In this video I will show you how you can go from Sabiha Gökcen Airport to Istanbul City Center. There are mainly three options, which are metro, bus and taxi. And now I'm going to show you all the three options, and in the end I will take a bus to Taksim. When you leave from the International Arrivals Gate, there are two ways. If you want to take the metro, you need to look at the sign and it will show you to go to the left part. And if you want to take taxi or bus, then you need to go through the right part. First, I will show you how to go to the metro. So, after I leave the International Arrivals Gate, I will make a left turn. Now we are going to the metro. Here you can see the estimated departure of the metro. And this metro goes to Kadıköy. These are the vending machines to buy Istanbul card. And you can access metro through here. And also you can see the estimated departure time for the metro. Now I'm at the entrance of the metro station. This metro goes to Kadıköy and you can make a transfer to Marmaray, other metro lines, and also you can make a transfer to Metrobüs. You can access the metro through here. And if you want to buy ticket, you can buy Istanbul card from these vending machines. I already have a video about how to buy Istanbul card and I'm gonna attach its link in the description of this video. You can go to Taksim Square by metro. If you want to take metro to Taksim Square, you need to take this metro and you need to leave at Ayrılıkçeşme stop. From there you need to take Marmaray to Yenikapı, and from Marmaray you need to take the M2 metro line to Taksim. It will take around 2 hours to reach Taksim from here. After showing you the metro station, I came back to the arrivals gate. Now I'm going to show you where you can take taxi and where you can take bus to go to the Istanbul City Center. After leaving International Arrivals, we need to turn right and we need to go this way. Also, if you need any SIM card, you can get your SIM card from Vodafone, Türk Telekom or from Turkcell here. So the taxi queue is here. This is the queue for the taxi. When a new taxi comes, they take the client to the taxi according to the queue here. In conclusion, to take a taxi, you need to leave the international arrivals gate. Then you need to turn right, leave from the exit, and then you need to make a turn left. There are lots of people who are assisting for the taxi here. Simply they make a queue there, and whenever a new taxi comes, the taxi takes the client. Here in Turkey we have a taximeter system, and you need to ask it to the driver to turn on the taximeter, and it will charge you according to the taximeter. Usually to the city center it takes around 500-600 Turkish lira, which is around $20. Now I will go to the bus stops from the exit, and I will show you how to go to the bus station and how you can take the bus to the city center. This is the bus terminal if you want to go to another city apart from Istanbul. For example, there is Bursa, and also in my knowledge you can go to Sakarya and Kocaeli from here. As you can see, you can buy the ticket and you can take the bus to go to other cities. The buses for Istanbul are here. I will take the bus for Taksim, and here you can take bus to most of the destinations in the city center. For example, this bus is for Bursa, so it's Intercity bus. This is for Sakarya, and this one is the Taksim bus. And Kadıköy is also departing from here. Usta, Taksim nerede?
Taksim beni çekersen söylerim.
Tamam, çekeyim.
Tamam. Taksim ileride.
So Taksim is this way.
This way, this way,
Sağ olun.
this way.
Türk'üm.
Onlar yabancı diyor, onlar şey
Aa, yok ya.
hep açık olmaz lazım.
This is the Taksim bus. You can leave your luggage here if you have any luggage. Kaçta kalkıyor?
Ondan.
It's gonna depart in 10 minutes. So this bus goes to Taksim. I will take the bus in 10 minutes. There is bus every 30 minutes going from Sabiha Gökçen to Taksim, and it's 24 hours a day. Usually the bus takes around 45 minutes or 1 hour to reach Taksim from Sabiha Gökcen Airport. However, be careful about the traffic in the rush hour. It might take 1 hour and a half or even 2 hours in rush hours. The bus fee is 102 Turkish lira. You can pay by Istanbul card or cash in the bus, or if you wanna pay by credit card, there is a kiosk right across there and you can pay by your credit card. I will pay with my Istanbul cards, and I will take the bus in a moment. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it will be helpful for you when you are here at Sabiha Gökcen Airport and when you are about to go to the Istanbul City Center. If you have any questions, you can always comment it in the comment section, and I would appreciate a lot if you can subscribe to my channel.